Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, let's try to understand what is slicing and how to access multiple elements in the list. Just try to observe the given example what we have considered. So I'm considering the same elements as the positive indexing. So indexing is starting from 0 to 9 and the elements are also from 0 to 9. So when you consider the negative indexing, it's starting from -1 going until the -10. So what is the syntax to access multiple elements in slicing is, so just take some sample list, provide the start, stop as well as end. I just took one example over here. Let's just try to see that. Printing the value of list one. Right. Now let's first try to understand start, stop. So I'll just take the value start. So starting from the value 0, I want to go until the value 7. So 0 to 7, we will not be including the last value. So we will be excluding the value which is at the index 7. So meaning, so 0 to 6 only the elements would be accessed. Yes, similarly, if I just go for list one of starting from 3 and I want to go until the index 9. So if I want to go until the index 9, so we will be just moving until 3 to 8 only. So maybe if I just want to go until the last, then we can simply ignore the ending point and we can simply say that I want to start from 3. That's all. So we are not providing what is the end value. So it starts from 3 and it goes until the last. So this is one way you can access. Now, if I want to skip one element starting from 3 till the last, let's observe what is the syntax. So now step comes into picture. So I'm not going to give what is the last value. Then followed by, I will provide the step value to 2. So now it starts from 3, 4 is skipped, 6 is skipped, 8 is skipped. So this is how it works. So even if you give the value 3 colon 1, so you get the values starting from 3 until the last. So this is how slicing works. Let's try to take the combination of start, stop as well as step. So list 1. So starting with the value 1. So I want to go until the value of 9 and incrementing the value by 3. So starting from 1, so go until the 9 means, so 1 to 8 is considered. Skipping 2 to values, meaning first 2 and 3 is skipped, next 5 and 6 is skipped, and next we get the value 7. So 1, 4, 7 should be our answer. So this is how it works. So this is how positive indexing works with the concept of slicing. Now let's use the concept of negative slicing over here. So list 1, I want to start from -1. I want to go till the value of -8. So each and every time I want to decrement the value. But if you are not decrementing the value, you are getting an empty list. So default step value would be 1. So now if you want to decrement, so you can give colon -1. So it starts from -1, it goes till -8. So starting from -1 means over here. So going till -8 meaning the value until the value is 3. So here if you observe, it starts from 9 and it goes until the value just before the value -8. So meaning until the value 3 is being considered. Now here, if you don't want to stop at a point, then the same fashion, you can remove the end. So I want to start from -1 and I want to go until the last. So if you also don't want to provide the start value, so you can simply provide start, empty, stop, empty, and the step value to be -1. So it starts from last and it goes until the first. So this is how it works. And the same similar fashion, if you want to go for positive slicing, so you can provide the value 1. If not, simply you can say colon also works. So if you want to use the combination of both positive as well as negative slicing, let's try to understand. So now what I'll try to do is, I'll try to start from the value -5. So I'm starting from the value -5. I want to go until the value 8. So starting from the value -5, I want to go until the value 8. So let's try to see what do we get. So list 1 starting from -5. So I want to go until the value 8. So default step value is positive. So you got -5, the value is 5, 6, 7. So just before 8, we stopped. So it is not suggested to use the combination of positive as well as negative. So either we can go for positive or we can go for negative. That should work. So that's all for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.